In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable and use pre-moves on chess.com. This is an essential skill for any chess player, especially if you enjoy playing fast-paced games like Bullet or Blitz. Pre-moving allows you to make your move during your opponent's turn, saving you precious seconds on the clock and keeping the pressure high on your opponent. If you have ever wondered how those grandmasters move instantly, it is likely because they have this setting turned on. If this video helps you improve your game, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, you need to open your browser and log in to your chess.com account. Once you are on the homepage, look at the bottom left sidebar of the screen. You will see a small gear icon which represents your settings. Click that gear icon now. A small menu will pop up, but we need more options, so click the All Settings button at the bottom of that menu. This will take you to the Comprehensive Settings dashboard where you can customize your play experience. On the left-hand navigation menu, ensure you are under the Play or Gameplay section. Now, scan the center of your screen for the setting labeled Enable Pre-moves. You want to make sure there is a check mark in that box. If it is unchecked, you will not be able to cue your moves. By checking this box, the site will now register your intentions before it is officially your turn. Once that is saved, let us talk about how to actually use it in a live match. When you are in the middle of a game, wait for your opponent to start thinking. While it is your opponent's turn, click and drag your piece to its target square, or click the piece and then click the target square. You will see the move highlighted, usually in a different color like red or orange, indicating that it is a pending pre-move. As soon as your opponent completes their turn, your move will execute instantly, taking up 0 seconds or only 0.1 seconds of your time. This can be the difference between winning and losing when the clock gets low. And that is it. You have successfully enabled pre-moves and learned how to use them to your advantage. If this video helped, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Good luck on the board.